So there you go, tender chicken, crunchy onions, perfect chicken and onion Chinese. No reason to buy, make yourself. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, chicken and onions, Chinese style, come on. So we got some onion, we got some garlic, we got some chicken, we got some green onions, and I've already got some julienne ginger. You can just use sliced, up to you. Right, let's crack on with the onion first. Onion, we want slices of onion. Nice and steady slices. Quite big because we're showing onion. Now what you got to do is just help it along by just pulling the segments apart. Just pull them apart, that makes it easier when we cook. Right, I'm going to do 2 medium onions here because it is chicken and onion and I like to see the onion. Straightforward on there with your garlic. Mince the garlic up. Now you know the drill by now, big or as small as you like. Come on, just mince it up. That will do. I don't mind chunks of garlic in my dish. Green onion. Now the stalk bit of the green onion can go in with the onion, but the leaf end we want to be actually putting in later. So that lot can go in there. So we can actually chuck that in as we cook with the garlic and ginger. Not a problem. So we'll put that with them. That goes over there. And then we just want some green onion tops. About an inch. Somewhere around about there. That's straightforward. In a bowl. Chicken breasts, we are going to slice these decent slices. Now if you slice on an angle, you get a big long slice, and that's what we're after. Now you can go as thin, as small as you like, that's up to you. Let's whip that off there. So what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of a marinade on there to start off with. A couple of teaspoons of soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of dark soy sauce, a little splash of water, a little bit of baking soda, which is optional. You do not have to put baking soda in. A little bit of sugar. What, a little bit of white pepper and some cornstarch, a couple of those in there. Right, we're going to give that a mix in, and then we're going to chuck some sesame oil in there. That goes to one side. So we can mix up a little bit of a sauce actually. So we want a little bit of rice wine or mirin. Want a little bit of oyster sauce. A little bit of sugar in there. Right, now you have to be a bit steady with the dark soy sauce here. You know, we don't want too much. It is a dark dish, but you gotta be careful you don't overpower it. So that's our sauce there. In here I have some chicken broth, and we're going to chuck in some cornflour, cornstarch. So that is going to be our cornstarch slurry mixed up with our chicken broth. One side. Right, we're ready to cook. It's that easy. So grab yourself your wok, your pan, whatever you're using. Okay, a little bit of oil in the pan. Heat it up, fairly medium heat for this. Okay, in there, our onions. Keep the bowl tiny. Bit of salt, bit of sugar, and off we go. Come on. It's a quick one on these onions. Okay, a quick stir fry around. Now we don't really want to get any colour. If it tinges up, there's nothing we can do about that. Come on. So just keep them moving a little bit. Break up some of those stubborn segments. Now everybody cooks differently. You can cook these, take them out, or you could just carry on and cook them all in there. But you know, it's about the onions. The onions have got to have a little bit of a crunch to them. Flame off, onions out. Now they're going back in this bowl like that. Grab a lid or a pan or anything over the top. One side. They are steaming in there. They're going to soften, have a crunch. Perfect. Okay, come on, let's crack on. So a little bit of oil in there because there's not enough, obviously. We've just used it. Ginger. We're going in with the aromatics. Ginger in, garlic in. Aromatics in there, look. A little bit on that. Flavouring up that little bit of oil in there, look. Chicken in there. Spread out your chicken in the pan. Try and get some colour on it. We're cooking the chicken to we're guessing, but about 80%. Nice and steady, come on. Keep it a little turning over. We want a little bit of colour on there. Cornstarch is doing its job, look. It's crisping a little bit over the top. Just give it a little chucking about in there. If you can see any raw chicken, make sure that gets to the bottom of the pan. We don't want food poisoning. Okay, it's nice and straightforward. There's a lovely pan of aromatics going on there. In there with those onion stalks. What a fabulous smell. That is beautiful. Look at that. In there, our sauce. Nice little coating up. Coat all your chicken so you can get it all the same colour. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, we want to be taking our chicken broth and our cornstarch slurry that's in there. Nice little stir on. Now it is going to thicken this. Back in there, our onions. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, please. On there, green onion. Those tops. A little stir through. We'll have a shake of white pepper. And we are ready to serve. That is sensational. There you go. How easy is that? Where's my white pepper? A little shake of white pepper. Some people use black. But you know, most Chinese use white. Now, I'm not saying most Chinese at home. I'm saying most Chinese as in restaurant. They don't chuck black pepper around. Flame off and serve up. So there you go, chicken and onions made. That's a quick one. Come on. Come on, it's going cold. In here. Oh yeah. Oh, that is ridiculously good. That chicken is just so tender. That is beautiful. Look at this big piece of chicken here. Look at this. Look at that. Look how moist that is in there. That is delightful. Crunch all the way through those onions because we cooked and steamed. That means they're cooked inside, but they're still firm. That is delicious. What a fantastic easy meal. Perfect crunchy onions. Delicious chicken. Fall apart, look at it. Look. That is superb. So there you go, tender chicken, crunchy onions, perfect chicken and onion Chinese. No reason to buy, make yourself. If you do like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends, tell them how easy this recipe is to make. And it really is easy, it's delicious. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Come on, let's serve it over some rice.